How do I edit or delete a message I've sent in Telegram?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a frequently asked question among Telegram users. How do I edit or delete a message I've sent in Telegram? Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. We will guide you through each step of the process in a simple, easy-to-understand manner.
How to edit a sent message on Telegram.
Editing a sent message on Telegram can be a lifesaver when you've made a typo or need to modify the content for some reason. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the chat where you've sent the message you want to edit. 2. Find the message you wish to modify. 3. Tap and hold the message until a context menu appears. 4. Select Edit from the context menu. 5. Make the necessary changes to your message in the text box. 6. Press Done or Enter on your keyboard to save changes. And voila! You have just edited a sent message on Telegram.
How to delete a sent message on Telegram.
Now, what if you want to delete a message instead of editing it? Follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete was sent. 2. Locate the message you want to remove. 3. Press and hold the message to bring up a context menu. 4. Choose Delete from the menu. 5. A dialog box will appear, asking if you want to delete for everyone or just for yourself. Select your preferred option. 6. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. Just like that, you have deleted a sent message on Telegram. So there you have it. Those were the easy steps to edit or delete a sent message on Telegram. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, with a powerful tool like Telegram, communication is just a tap away, and it's never too late to correct our mistakes. So go ahead, edit those typos or delete that message you didn't mean to send. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.